going to learn how to measure a blouse or a shirt. Okay, let's start with collar, round the neck, 2 fingers below the measurement tape. Okay, just like that. Next, waist length from the back. Okay, where is the starting point? As you can see, the shoulder here, between the shoulder and the neck, there is an L shape here. So the starting point at this corner. Alright? So we begin from here, right? Then reaching to your waist length. Right? How to know which part is your waistline? Yeah? As you bend your waist, say you bend here, this is your waistline. So when you start from here, then assume this mannequin waistline is here, this is your waistline. Shoulder, begin with shoulder from the back. From the point here, as you bend, that you can feel a bone here, a sharp bone from your shoulder. Over the neck, hold a little bit, then towards the other side. That is the shoulder length for the back. For the front, so you need to measure the front from this side over round the neck, then you measure from this point. Okay, that is for the front shoulder. Next is neck low. Same thing, we start with the shoulder point here, the L shape here. Then your neckline is right middle of your neck here. Okay, how low is up to you. Yeah, your choice. It can be like for this mannequin, the neck low is here, or you can begin with this. You feel more comfortable right above, it's up to your choice. Yeah, so like for this mannequin is somewhere around here. Okay, for waist length front, just now we have taken the back, now the front one you have to consider. For lady, the bust here, so the starting point also the same thing. Begin with the shoulder here, the shoulder point over the bust. Careful, yeah, don't touch the bust, yeah. Then reach to the waistline, the waistline here. Alright? Waist round, quite straightforward. Around your waistline, put 2 fingers around your waistline. Bust round, also the same thing. The bust right below the armpit. Yeah. Careful also. 2 fingers right below the measurement tape. Okay, just 2 fingers right below here. Chest, for the chest, the front below the armpit, slightly above the bust, and below the other side of the armpit here. That for the chest front, and chest back, also the same thing, here to here. Alright? Okay. How about bust height? This measurement is for those blouse that you would like to have done, right? The dart for lady blouse that you would like to have more shapy a bit, then you need to measure the bust height. Bust height, also same thing. You can see that the point is from the shoulder point here, right? Reaching to the tip here, right? So for this mannequin, exactly the bust height is around this point. Alright? Then for bust distance is from this tip to this tip. That is the bust distance. Okay? Alright? Okay, the next one is the length. The length is quite straightforward. Also, the starting point is always the same point. Alright, over here, over the bust, and the length for the, like this shirt is around this. If you want a longer, up to your choice, or it can be longer and so on. So this is up to your preference. Alright. Hip round. Yes, the hip round. Alright, just around the hip and put 2 fingers right below the measurement tape. Now we're going to measure the sleeve. The sleeve from the shoulder point here. Okay. And for short sleeve is your preference, but usually I will encourage you to bend your elbow a little bit so that you can gauge. Say this is your elbow, right? You can gauge how long that you would like to have. Slightly, maybe 3 inches above the elbow, or 4 inches the elbow or more. Alright, like for example, if I bend like that a little bit, then I could gauge my sleeve, my short sleeve is somewhere around here or here. If you put like that, sometimes it's difficult to gauge. Yeah. But for long sleeve, for ladies usually is up to the wrist. For guy is slightly longer. Okay. And for 3/4 is anywhere. You can just measure from here to here, anywhere. So for long sleeve, take note that you have to measure the fist round here, so that you're able to go through the sleeve. So how you do it? This is your fist, and you measure like that. This is for long, 3/4 or long sleeve, that you can go through your sleeve like that. For short sleeve, quite straightforward, because around the arm, you just measure the round like that. Okay, that's all.